I'm at Tintern Abbey in County Wexford, Ireland, and what some people might not know is beyond the abbey in the woods is a fabulous walled garden that's a must-see if you're in Ireland. Let's go take a peek. And remember, subscribe to the channel. I have to tell you, the walk to get to the walled garden is just as splendid as the walled garden itself. I just love exploring, don't you? This is the Colclough Walled Garden in Wexford, and I'm going to take you around the garden and show you all the beautiful plants, and just they're stunning, and especially in a walled garden, there's just something about that charm, and it's just so beautiful. Look at these lovelies. So poppies and lupins, so gorgeous. Cornflowers, roses, sweet peas, woohoo! It's so peaceful in a walled garden. I love it. This garden is divided into two parts. The first part is the ornamental section, and then there's the orchard and vegetable and fruit growing in the middle by volunteers who take their time to come down here and care for the walled garden. And the stream runs all the way through it, right down the middle. And this is the area they have planted different crops. And then so nice and cool through this path. Loads of apple trees here, and let me tell you, this orchard, I've been here before when the apples are falling from the trees, and this stream is just loaded with apples, and they just can't pick them as fast as they're dropping. It's absolutely gorgeous that time of year. And then we'll go right back through to the ornamental section of the garden. It's really lovely. And despite the really warm May, it's been really, really beautiful in the gardens. Sedum and lavender is just loving life right now. Loving the heat. Are you showing us the way? Which way?
Yeah,
Which way, birdies?